that Miss Ayers did take a parenting class. Thank you, ma'am. Did Mr. Harris take one?
No.
Okay. Did you participate in the Choices program?
At the time I was in Indiana and I couldn't make it, but I ended up finding a job without them. So
Okay. And why didn't you take the parenting class?
just kind of unstable, and at the same time, trying to focus on this training for this job.
Okay. Are there any agreements, Mr. Dehamishan?
No, Your Honor. We've approached to try to do additional temporary orders because some things have changed. But Miss Edwards doesn't want to proceed with a final today. But we're ready to start on the additional temporary orders, Your Honor.
Are there any agreements in the additional temporary orders, or is that all contested and we're rehearing the case again?
There's no agreements, Your Honor.
So you're totally scrapping the prior temporary orders and starting from scratch? Is that what's being requested? Ms. Edwards, what's being requested?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Thank you for allowing me to address the court this morning. Judge, what we're specifically requesting from my client is some additional temporary orders based upon the fact that Dad is now currently employed. We believe that he has been employed. And so we would like to request additional temporary orders based upon his current employment, and then also come back for a final when he is able to produce his pay stubs, tax returns, and things of that nature as requested in the original petition filed by the Office of the Attorney General. And then at that point, we would be able to get some more concrete, I guess, numbers as to what the employment really is.
Okay, so you're not looking to change the visitation or conservatorship from the temporary orders at this time?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay, so this is just purely possibly medical support, because I don't remember what was ordered last time, and then his...
Thank you for mentioning that, Your Honor. That is correct. In the last court order, you ordered that my client enroll into the Medicaid program. Unfortunately, her financial situation does not allow her to qualify for that. So she did have to enroll in private medical and dental insurance, and she's seeking reimbursement for that cost as well.
Okay. So this is purely financial issues?
Correct.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good. Okay, I guess you can proceed. Do you want to proceed, Miss Edwards?
All right, guys, buckle up, because this hearing opens with tension already in the air. The court begins reviewing whether either parent completed their court-ordered parenting classes. Miss Eyes confirms she did. Mr. Harris did not. The judge's tone sharpens structure, and compliance matter here. The lawyers shift focus to finances, not emotions. Ms. Edwards, representing the mother, pushes for updated temporary orders since Mr. Harris recently found employment. It's not about changing custody, just ensuring fair, realistic financial terms. The courtroom feels calm, yet beneath the formality. Everyone knows this case is about proof, responsibility, and the cost of promises not kept.
However, Mr. Harry would like, I'm fine with.
You could proceed, Miss Edwards.
Thank you. Your Honor, I'll call my client, Miss Ayers.
Okay.
May I proceed?
You may proceed. Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Will you state your name for this court?
Aisha Ayers.
And you are the mother of the child before the court, is that correct?
Yes.
Now, you do have other children, right?
Yes.
How many other children do you have?
One.
Okay. But Bryce is the only one that we're talking about, correct?
Yes.
Now, this court entered into some temporary orders back in September of 2024, right?
Yes.
And they ordered that Mr. Harris pay you minimum wage child support, is that correct?
Yes.
And have you received any child support from him since that date?
No.
Okay. Do you believe that he has the ability to pay you child support?
Yes.
In fact, do you believe that he has the ability to pay you more than minimum wage child support?
Yes.
Why do you believe that he has the ability and should pay you more?
With the lifestyle that he lives, Facebook posts, lavish trips, gifts, hotels that he's able to afford, flights, and pretty much things of that nature.
Okay. And you've seen these things on his social media, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Your Honor, may I have permission to use a share screen?
Yes, Miss Eschenberg, can you make her co-host so she can share the screen, please?
Yes.
I think I have the ability at this point. Okay. Now, Miss Ayers, what I want to do is just kind of show the court some of the things that you have been able to see on the social media.
The tension builds as the mother, Ashais, takes the stand. Her voice is firm yet weary as she details unpaid child support despite a prior court order. She describes watching her child's father live lavishly online vacations, hotels, gifts, while claiming he can't pay. The attorney asks permission to share screen evidence, screenshots from his Facebook. The judge grants it. Exhibit after exhibit flashes before the virtual courtroom, each one a timestamp of indulgence. It's not gossip, it's proof. In these first few minutes, we see the clash between digital image and real-life accountability unfold right before the judge's eyes.
I want to show you what we have marked as exhibit number 3. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
And are you familiar with what we're looking at?
Yes. This is his social media, Facebook.
Okay. And this post was made on what date?
January 1st.
And what is the location that he tags as where he's located when he makes this post?
Chicago, Illinois.
Okay. And is this Mr. Harris in this photo?
Yes.
Okay. And you took a screenshot of what you saw on your device, is that correct?
Yes.
And did you alter or change this screenshot in any way?
No.
May I offer exhibit 3 into evidence, Your Honor?
Does anyone have any objection to me admitting exhibit 3 into evidence?
No.
And Mr. Damasian?
No, Your Honor, I don't object.
Okay. Exhibit 3 is admitted. I don't know, Mr. Damasian, if you have those already and can import them, or if we have to figure out some logistics here.
We'll have to figure out logistics. I know he was trying to give me his email, but then we kind of kept going back and forth in the room, so I didn't get it from him. May I proceed, or would you like me to?
You may continue. I'm a little nervous about exhibits because I don't have a court reporter. Sometimes the AG's office just e-files them. We do have that program, but I guess Mr. Damasian's not using it right now. And I wasn't told in advance that we might need it for the attorney. Because she could also enroll in it, Mr. Damasian, or be requested to send documents. I guess, are you going to just e-file them, Ms. Edwards? Is that what the plan was, Mr. Damasian?
Your Honor, she could email it to me and I can upload it.
Okay.
I'll email her right now.
Okay, thank you. Okay, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Ayers, I'm showing you what's been previously marked as exhibit number 4. Can you see my screen that I'm sharing?
Yes.
And is this also a Facebook post from Mr. Harris?
Yes.
And what date was this post made?
December 27th, 2024.
All right, guys. This is where the hearing takes a sharp turn. Exhibit after exhibit is entered: Vegas trips, luxury villas, and snapshots of a man living comfortably while claiming hardship. Harris objects, unsure what any of it proves, but quickly backs down. The court accepts each image as evidence. For Asha, these posts aren't just online memories. They're receipts of neglect. Each upload becomes a statement against him. The judge, cautious without a court reporter present, still allows exhibits to be filed. What was once a social feed now becomes a legal record. Every photo, every tag, suddenly has weight in this courtroom's truth.
And here, Mr. Harris is talking about taking a trip, looks like out of the country. Is that correct?
Yes.
And we took a screenshot, right? But if we scroll through these photos, it's a villa that has been booked with his friends. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And I would like to offer exhibit number 4. I'm sorry.
And Mr. Harris, do you have any objection to me admitting exhibit number 4?
I just don't understand what any of this is proving.
Do you have any legal objection?
Huh?
Is that a legal objection? Do you have any legal objection to me admitting their exhibit number 4?
No, they can go ahead.
Okay. Exhibit number 4 is admitted.
Ms. Ayers, did you also learn that he had taken a trip to Las Vegas?
Yes.
Can you tell the court when you believe that trip was taken?
It was sometimes last year, after us going to court and having child support established and not receiving anything.
Also on his Facebook page, did you learn that he had received a trucking license?
Yes.
Okay. And that was his ability to be able to drive trucks. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I'm going to take and show the court what's been previously marked as exhibit number 2. Is this Mr. Harris?
Yes.
And is that him holding his trucking license standing next to a truck? Is that correct?
Yes.
And you took a screenshot of this photo from his Facebook as well, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Your Honor, I offer exhibit number 2.
What was the date of the Facebook post?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I apologize. What date over here in the right-hand corner was this Facebook post made?
August 2nd, 2024.
Okay. And did you take a screenshot? I'm sorry, I already asked that. Have you changed or altered this exhibit in any way?
No.
I offer exhibit number 2.
And does anyone have any objection to exhibit number 2 being entered?
No objection.
No.
Exhibit number 2 is admitted.
Ms. Ayers, did you?
Now, things start connecting. Aisha testifies that Harris proudly posted his new trucking license, showing he's employable and capable. The court admits more evidence, income data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. A Texas truck driver earns about $54,550 annually. She explains proof he can pay more than the bare minimum. The details shift toward health and dental coverage, with documents revealing she privately insures the child for hundreds per month. Exhibits stack up 7, 8, and 9 each meticulously entered. By this point, it's not emotion driving the case but cold, organized proof. The courtroom momentum begins favoring her completely.
Learned today that, in fact, Mr. Harris is a truck driver. Is that right?
Yes.
Are you asking the court to base his child support off of him being a truck driver?
Yes.
Now, we went to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics together. Is that right?
Yes.
And we were able to see how much a truck driver in Texas is making. Is that correct?
Yes.
Now, I want to show you what we have previously marked as exhibit number 6. This is what we saw when we went to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, right?
Yes.
And if I scroll down here, how much does it say an annual salary for a truck driver is?
In Texas, $54,550.
Can you repost that again?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, and I actually took it off too quickly. I'm sorry. Are you?
Thank you.
May I offer exhibit number 6?
And does anyone have any objection to exhibit number 6 being admitted?
No objection.
No.
Exhibit 6 is admitted.
I'm not sure if I asked this question, but is that what you're asking the court to base his child support off of?
Yes.
Okay. Do you currently have your son covered on medical insurance?
Yes.
And if I show you what's been previously marked as exhibit number 8, This is the health insurance for you and all three of your children. Both of your children, correct?
Yes.
And down here, you're paying a monthly fee of $400.59 for all three of you. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
And so if we pull out specifically how much it costs just for your son, it's $133.86, right?
Yes.
Okay. And do you have dental insurance for him?
Yes.
And I think I just did health insurance. You have dental insurance in place for him as well, correct?
Yes.
And I'm going to show you what has been marked as exhibit number 7. This shows that you're enrolled in the monthly ABW premium plan, correct?
Yes.
And so you're paying about $113 per month for all three of you all, correct?
Yes.
And so just for your son, you're paying $37.66.
The cross-examination begins. The judge questions how Aisha manages her child's medical costs without help. She confirms everything is privately funded. When asked, Haris remains mostly silent, only interjecting once to note he has benefits available, though none in place. His uncertainty contrasts sharply with her preparation. The evidence is airtight: receipts, premiums, paperwork. Even without drama, this is the power of documentation. Every line in her file tells a story of consistency. Every vague response from him, a lack of accountability. The balance of credibility has quietly shifted. The judge notices it, even if she doesn't say it yet.
For the dental insurance, right?
Correct.
Your Honor, I offer exhibits 7 and 8 into evidence.
Does anyone have any objection to me admitting exhibits 7 and 8?
No objection.
Are you requesting reimbursement
One
for your?
second. Mr. Harris, did you object?
That's for the dental and then the health insurance.
That's what the documents reflect, yes.
Well, I mean, with my job, I got dental and health, so.
And you can get into that later, but you object to those being admitted
Oh,
as
okay.
evidence. I'm not asking if you
No.
agree with the concept, just if you have any objections to them being admitted into evidence.
No, I don't.
Okay. If those exhibits 7 and 8 are admitted.
May I proceed?
You may proceed.
Thank you. Are you asking the court for reimbursement of both the medical and dental insurance?
Yes.
Based upon the testimony that you have provided today, we have calculated what the monthly child support should be, correct?
Yes.
And we calculated, and you're requesting that the court order that Mr. Harris be responsible for paying you $730.19. Is that right?
Yes.
And I'm just going to do a child support calculator just for the court, because you and we completed this monthly child support calculator together,
Yeah.
correct?
Yes.
And we gave him credit for the medical as well as the dental insurance, right?
Yes.
I'd offer exhibit number 9.
Does anyone have any objection to exhibit number 9 being admitted into evidence?
No objection.
No.
Okay, exhibit 9 is admitted.
Ms. Ayers, is your child currently in daycare?
Yes.
And how much is his monthly daycare?
It's about $1,175 a month.
Okay. And so you're not receiving any financial or help with picking up and dropping off or visitation from Mr. Harris, is that right?
No, he saw him once since the last court order.
Do you believe that it's in the best interest of your son for this court to order that his child support be increased to $730.19?
Yes.
I'll pass the witness, Your Honor.
Mr. Mason, do you have any questions for Ms. Ayers?
Just one, Your Honor. Miss Ayers, the health and dental that you provided for your child, is this through another source? This is not through your employer, right?
No, I'm self-employed, so this is private insurance.
Okay. Pass the witness, Your Honor.
Mr. Harris, do you have any questions you want Ms. Ayers to answer?
The focus turns to Harris. Calm but hesitant, he admits he just started a job at CR England as a truck driver 2 days ago. The court listens closely. His pay, he claims, depends on mileage, no solid numbers yet. He confesses he hasn't earned income for over a year, surviving on food stamps and his girlfriend's support. Then the big reveal. She's been paying for his trips, food, and even travel with friends. The courtroom goes silent for a beat. It's not judgment, it's realization. The man claiming financial struggle has been sustained by someone else entirely. Responsibility now has a face, and it's looking right at him.
Sure. So I understand that Ms. Ayers is an attorney with her own law firm, so I'm trying to figure out like where exactly is this this health and dental coming from, like, because
You have to ask the questions directed at her at this time.
okay. Well, never mind, I'll hold off.
Okay. Ms. Edwards, do you have any other witnesses?
I'll just call Mr. Harris.
Okay.
Mr. Harris, will you state your name for the court?
Benjamin Harris.
Mr. Harris, are you currently employed?
Yes.
Where do you work at this time?
CR England.
Sorry, I just started getting some beeps to join other rooms. I apologize. I was
No.
distracted. Okay. Mr. Harris, how much do you earn at your current job?
I'm not 100% sure on that yet. I just started like 2 days ago, and we kind of go off of mileage. So I guess I won't know exactly until I get a check or two.
How long have you been employed at CR England?
I started driving like 2 days ago, but I've been training for about a week or two.
Did you receive pay while you were in training?
I haven't received that check yet.
So were you being paid while you were in training?
I think it probably was about $100 a day, something like that.
And how many days were you in training?
It's about a week.
Prior to that, what did you do to earn income?
I actually haven't received any income in at least over a year or so now. I guess you can call it self-employed, but yeah.
You were self-employed?
Yeah, like over a year ago, like I did like concerts and events and things of that nature. But I haven't done any of that in at least a year now.
Are you a performer?
I'm the one that put the performances together, type of deal. But again, I haven't done any of that since I moved to Houston. I was doing that when I was in Indiana.
Where do you currently live?
It should be the same address on there, 3322 Polk Creek Drive, Katy, Texas.
Okay, is that an apartment or a house?
It's a house.
Okay, are you paying any rent there?
I have paid some rent like once or twice. It's a friend's house, so he kind of been letting me stay there, which, I haven't really have much income, so yeah, no.
Do you have health and dental insurance available for the child on your job?
I have to look a little bit more into it as far as how everything works, but I know it's available.
But you don't have that coverage on the child as of today, is that correct?
Not yet, no.
How are you able to book trips to Las Vegas?
For Las Vegas, that was my girlfriend's birthday. She pretty much paid for everything, as she's been pretty much paying for everything for the past year.
Did she also pay for the trip where you booked with the boys?
That was not out the country. That was to Miami, and only thing we did was pay the deposit towards a home. And
Objection
again,
as to non-responsive.
huh?
My question specifically was, did your girlfriend pay for your trip with the boys?
She did send the deposit money, yes.
As questioning deepens, Harris deflects and hesitates. The judge's patience stays steady but thin. When asked about rent, he admits living rent-free at a friend's house. His attorney doesn't object. It's clear where this is heading. The judge reminds both sides that today's issue is financial, not visitation. Harris pleads that he simply had no money to pay before, but promises to do better now. The court's concern is compliance, not apology. At this point, it's evident who came prepared. She with evidence, he with excuses. In this courtroom, the line between sympathy and accountability isn't blurry, it's decided by proof.